Let's dive right into 5 insanely powerful tools that are transforming the way people create digital products, automate side hustles, and generate real income. First up is Durable.co, an AI website builder that allows you to create a complete website in under 30 seconds. No coding or design skills are required. This tool is a game changer for freelancers and local business owners. Imagine building landing pages for your services like digital marketing or resume writing and earning $500 or more per project. It's fast, clean, and incredibly effective. Next, we have Koala.sh, an AI blog writer that utilizes advanced GPT technology to craft entire blog posts that are SEO optimized and ready to rank. Many users are leveraging this tool to build niche blogs and monetize them through affiliate links or ad networks like Mediavine. With Koala, you can create 20 to 30 blog posts and set up a site that generates passive ad revenue with minimal ongoing effort. It's like having a personal writing assistant at your fingertips. Moving on to Pictory.ai, a faceless YouTube video generator that's revolutionizing YouTube automation. You simply input a script or article, and it transforms that content into a full video complete with voiceovers, footage, and visuals. This tool is perfect for those looking to create niche channels without the hassle of editing or being on camera. Users are monetizing quickly once they hit the YouTube Partner Program, making it a fantastic option for aspiring content creators. Now let's talk about Jasper.ai, an AI copywriting assistant that's a favorite among creators, freelancers, and marketers. Jasper helps you produce high-converting content in no time. Whether you need email sequences, product descriptions, or ad copy, this tool can handle it all in minutes. Many users are charging between $100 and $500 per gig on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, all while using Jasper to streamline their workflow. Finally, we have the powerful combination of ChatGPT and Google Sheets, which allows you to automate various business systems. This duo can help you manage workflows, track finances, create social content calendars, and even build lead generation databases. While it may not be the flashiest option out there, it's saving users hours each week and enabling solopreneurs to run full businesses without the need for a team. Some small creators are even building $5,000 a month businesses using just these two tools. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to leverage your potential. These 5 websites are empowering people to eliminate the grunt work and scale their efforts rapidly. Which tool are you excited to try this week?